Hi, today we're actually cooking up some wood. I mean, wood-fired cuisine. What natural way, what a better way to have your food done. We're Chef Mai here at the newly opened Mrs. B in Chantilly. So Chef Mai, explain to me, we've got wood. I mean, when do you actually have to start the fire?
So normally we start to start the fire 2 hours before we get the service time. So we 6 o'clock we start on around 4 o'clock.
Where does the wood come from?
The wood come from is a local guy from the central part of Thailand. So he's a nice guy that's looking for the wood for us.
Okay, what kind of wood is this?
It's a pine wood.
Oh, nice.
Pine wood. Yeah.
Oh, pine wood. Okay, great. Okay, so what are we going to cook today, Chef Mai?
So we cook a popular one of us. It's a milk brine pork chop. We brine for 6 hours before we cut it.
The brining in 6 hours, right?
Yeah, in the milk.
Okay, great. Okay, let's throw it on the grill. Have a look.
Yes. So look at that. So the rim part of that one is have a lot of fat.
Okay.
So straight away to the fire side. Again, this part is really big.
Yeah. So Mrs. B, what other dishes are you doing wood-fired?
Yes. Normally, 80% of the dish we cook in the fire.
Okay.
Even the salad or something like that. Dessert. So this one is like a complimentary of us. It's pineapple.
Okay.
Yeah, we slow cook on this one and we give to the clean up the palate after the finished meal.
It's got to be great doing steaks here as well.
Yeah. And the black part is come from the crusting sears we have from the.
That's great. I'm hungry already. Chef Mai, thanks so much. I mean, wood-fired cuisine, who knew? I mean, it's hot in here, but I want to get out and eat this soon. Thanks so much.